I first met Beny in an abstract algebra course. So this is a 400 level course that typically senior math majors take at the end of their career. And at first I was very surprised to have someone who was 13 years old in a class of this kind of theoretical thinking.
It feels normal and strange at the same time. It's like at my level.
Beny is a very quick thinker. In class, he was full of questions. He was able to answer my questions I posed to the class very quickly. At first, I noticed the other students were a little thrown off guard to have someone so young as their peer. But when I did group work throughout the course, students quickly learned that Beny could communicate at a high mathematical level, and suddenly he was very popular to be in a group with. Both of his parents seem very supportive and encouraging of Beny. They're making sure that he has all the opportunities that Lewis has to offer.
They help me prepare my things. They help me do my assignments sometimes. My brother sometimes teaches me what I don't understand.
The teachers here are student-focused. Class sizes are small, so teachers have a chance to know their students outside of the classroom. And I think this creates a comfortable environment where Beny feels comfortable thriving.